Hey everyone, my name's Chaylin. I'm a senior communications major here at Stetson University, and welcome to a day in the life. So the first class we're going to be going to today is my Intro to Environmental Science. Alright, so first class of the day is done. Now I'm going to go to my sorority house, Alpha Chi Omega, and see if any of my sisters are in the chapter room and want to gab. If not, study time. Alright, so there wasn't a lot of sisters in my chapter room, but that's okay. I took advantage of that time to sit down, do some of my readings, go through some of my homework, kind of put some stuff on the paper. But I did get to talk to one of my sorority sisters, Alexis, so I always love seeing her in the chapter room. But now I'm headed to my next class, which is my journalism studio class in Elizabeth Hall. Oh my gosh, guys, this is creepy, but President Loki's literally crossing the street right there. Celebrity. But I'm done with my class now, so I'm going to head back home. Alright guys, I am back home now. Yay! Love coming home. I think I'm gonna go do some more homework. Yay! Now you can see me that well. Now I am headed off to Disney World to see the fireworks and hang out with my friends. After a long, hard day of work, we all decided to spontaneously go to Disney. So I'll catch you guys next time. Bye, Hatters!